Hello everybody, I'm T-Commando. Well, Richard from Driftomaniacs continues to come up with creative ideas for challenges. This week, in case you haven't seen the little chalk pattern here, we're going to be going bowling. So, the main objective is to take your RC car, take it off a jump, and hit your pin of choice. And of course, he's always got to add a little twist to it. You are not allowed to steer the car when you make your final jump, before or after. So as soon as you're ready to jump, it's just throttle only. And your wheels must land on the other side of the 6-foot line, where 2 feet behind it is going to be your set of pins. Now, just to show that everything is in spec, I did take a little bit of liberty with this. Approximately 6 feet from the start of the jump and approximately 2 feet from the line to the front pin. Now, with the way he spec'd out the pins, you'll roughly get an equilateral triangle with 3 feet for each side. So in case any of you are wondering, place your 2 outermost pins at a little more than 3 feet apart. And let's see, this one's going to be 3 feet 4 inches. So there you go. I've done some of the math for you. Alrighty. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my pins. I've done a few practice runs, and I have a slight case of bump steering and accelerating on this, and I might be able to work that to my advantage. We will see. Nah, I'm evil. I'm so evil. I'm so evil. Alright, so I'm going to do my 3 jumps, but they all must be in one continuous take, so brace yourselves. Start the session. We're rolling on that. There we are. I don't know if I'll be able to get away with speeding up the video, but all right.
Wait, I want to see what happens.
Oh, that's too good. That was too good. So what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. So an initial score of 6 dead soda cans. And now for the boring part. For the sake of entertainment, it was definitely a good idea to shake them up. Oh, this one's empty. Yeah, that speed controller is kind of on its last legs. I heard the motor click, so bring her back. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Miss. So 0 points on that one. Nope. I steered on that one. Okay. Alright. Line it up. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. Missed him. Hey, but I crushed one. So we got 4 pins this time, so I got a measly score of 10. Oh well, let's try it one more time just for the heck of it. Okay, so that one's got to be up front, that one's going to be center. Initiate. boring sequence. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Five pins this time. Oh, oh, look at this one. Oh, that one way exploded. Well, if we go by probably the acceptable results, I believe that was 6. So 11 points, a measly 11 points. 6, 5, 11. If we go with the fun way, 11, 16 points. So I'm not going to be winning any contests anytime soon, but it's always fun to destroy a few cans of soda. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my fun little entry into the Driftomaniacs Bowling Challenge. Be sure to go to check out the other entries, and also be sure to check out Driftomaniacs. Link in the description below, and I will see you in the next one. Now to destroy the rest of them. Ooh! We had another explosion! Well, that one's been breached. I don't think it's going to explode anymore. Let's see, I think there's one more. Crap, I missed.